Hello, today we will guide you through how to configure IBKR Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the layout tools, how to add a ready-made workspace, and how to walk through the on-screen setup so your trading environment feels organized and efficient. Start by opening Interactive Brokers and accessing IBKR Desktop. Once you're in the platform, take a moment to locate the left-hand navigation panel. This sidebar is your control center for major sections, and the one we want is called Layout. Layout is where you manage the overall arrangement of panels like watch lists, charts, quote monitors, and order entry. If your window is narrow, expand it so the sidebar is clearly visible, and make sure you're in the desktop interface rather than a web-only view. Select Layout in the left navigation to open the Layout Manager. You'll see your current workspace and options to modify or add new ones. At the top of this area, look for a plus icon. This button creates a new layout, allowing you to start clean without disrupting what you already have. Click the plus sign to begin. From the options presented, choose Sample Trading. This is a pre-built layout designed to get you going fast, with commonly used panels arranged in a practical way. It typically includes elements like a watch list to track symbols, a chart for visual analysis, a quote or portfolio monitor for key metrics, and an order entry ticket so you can act quickly. Picking Sample Trading is a smart shortcut because it gives you a solid foundation you can refine rather than building everything from scratch. After selecting Sample Trading, follow the on-screen procedure to configure it. The platform will guide you through naming the layout, confirming which panels you want, and placing them in a sensible arrangement. As you proceed, use the prompts to fine-tune details that matter to you, such as preferred market data columns, chart style and time frame, and whether certain panels should link to the same symbol. If you see options to save, apply, or set this as your default, confirm those choices so the layout opens just the way you want each time. If something doesn't feel right, you can use the on-screen back or edit options to adjust before finishing. When the configuration completes, review the workspace and ensure everything is readable at your screen size. Resize panels for balance and check that clicking a symbol updates your chart and order ticket as expected. That's it. Your IBKR Desktop is now configured using the Sample Trading layout, ready for a smoother, more focused trading experience.